Do you want to dabble in digital art as a beginner? Purchasing a high-quality drawing tablet can have a profound impact on the way you create. We'll look at the top drawing tablets for novices in 2024 in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Frunsi T11 Pro Tablet. For those new to the world of digital art, the Frunsi T11 Pro Tablet is a great place to start. Its elegant appearance combined with an incredibly sensitive stylus guarantees a smooth drawing experience at an affordable price. Sketching tablet without a computer include a 1920 by 1200 FHD IPS 16.9 ratio display to provide you with a spacious work area. You may keep all of the drawing software on a 64 GB HDD. 5800 mAh battery that can run the device for up to 5 hours. There is no need for a computer when drawing with this standalone drawing tablet. Drawing tablet with screen, powered by MTK processors, it has a quad-core CPU running the most recent version of Android 12. With 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, this standalone drawing tablet, which doesn't require a computer, allows for endless sketching at any time or anywhere. For novices, its compatibility with well-known drawing programs opens up even more possibilities by providing a digital platform for research and skill improvement. All things considered, the Frunsi T11 Pro tablet is more than simply a tool. It's a doorway that opens up new creative possibilities for aspiring artists in the digital realm. On number 2, we have Picassotab X11 tablet. For those who are new to the world of digital art, the Picassotab X11 tablet is an excellent option because of its excellent high-resolution display and its exceptionally sensitive pen. Experience drawing in a whole new way with the X11. With its large sketching surface and 11-inch 2K resolution screen, you can express your ideas with accuracy and detail. The screen is entirely laminated, which reduces parallax and guarantees a smooth transition between the stylus and the screen. The anti-glare function lessens reflections, giving the image a paper-like texture and improving the viewing experience as a whole. Drawing is not the only thing the X11 can do. It offers sufficient space for storing your artwork, photos, and other media with 6 GB of RAM and a large 128 GB HDD. The octa-core CPU of the devices guarantees fluid performance, enabling you to switch between creative work and entertainment with ease. The X11 is a flexible and practical device that can be used for both creative work and movie streaming. On number 3, we have Veikk VK1200 tablet. The Veikk VK1200 tablet's elegant balance of ease of use and functionality increases the experience of the beginning artist. This model stands out thanks to its roomy workspace, which encourages large brushstrokes and ambitious designs, and its exceptionally sensitive and accurate pen. The 11.6-inch LED screen of the Veikk VK1200 drawing tablet features 8192 pressure sensitivity levels, 72% NTSC color gamut, and 1920 x 1080 IPS resolution. 2 pens with 8192 pressure sensitivity levels that don't require batteries are included with the Veikk VK1200 drawing tablet. With the tilt function of the pen, you can change the pen's angle to fit your preferred drawing technique. 6 shortcut keys on the Veikk VK1200 drawing tablet allow you to easily access various tools and features. These keys include of brush select, zoom in, out, clear, undo, redo, and more. On number 4, we have Picassotab XL tablet. The Picassotab XL tablet is unique in that it has a huge workspace that can easily handle larger, more intricate creations. This is especially useful for novices who are keen to discover the full extent of their creative abilities. With its 11.6-inch screen, Picassotab XL offers you 30% more screen real estate to admire your drawings, and its IPS HD quality ensures that the artwork is incredibly clear. You may store all of your drawings on a spacious 64 GB HDD and download thousands of free apps from the Google Play Store. You receive more than just a tablet when you purchase a Picassotab XL. It is a complete kit that includes every accessory required to safeguard and care for the gadget. In addition to an 11.6-inch tablet, a pressure-sensitive pen, and an already installed sketching app, the package also includes 4 other products valued at $70. Because Picassotab XL is an Android-based gadget, it can run all of your favorite apps. You may carry your entertainment with you everywhere you go by connecting your tablet to your home Wi-Fi network. Watch your movies on a big screen by connecting your tablet to the TV through the tiny HDMI connector. So these are some of the best tablets to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.